You know, make no sense. You come out here and tell the people, them say, oh, me not do this and me not do that. Move on. Leave her alone. She have life. She's there same way. She not cut and bruise this pan her. Make she come out here and tell the public what they want. You know that she set you up? Because she did it on the phone and talk to me this morning. And she said to me, the only thing I want is seeing apologize. Me said, Shannel, you that take back to jail, you want to go back in the relationship? She said, yes. She want to back with you.
She told me that too. And she said, she want space or something. I'm saying, alright, no problem. I want the space too. I'm saying, I want some time to figure out what I want. Let me tell her, we talk half I me there. We talk half I me there.
Shannel talk to me and tell me today, say, I go look for the baby them. And me and her talk good per phone. She say she want you to come apologize public.
Please, hurry up, please.
Right? I will tell her to come suck part of me, you know. Don't play with me, you know. Cause next look down and see me, I tell her which part of me for suck. Right? Me I talk to my son. Right? Listen to me, sir. You know you go back to Shannel. I said, what me do I do? Hey, sorry, me tell her that. Sorry, I'm so sorry. I'm Jesus Christ. Me sorry if you tell her that. That's true. Me know when me are doing a people business by later I two of them there. Miss, call back the lady there. Miss, I'm so sorry. I will never do it again. Cause me fast and me love people business. Hey, you come off of me scream, cause you know say by later on in Shannel I'll go and pillar. Go on, good sir. Go on, man, go on. It don't love batter each other. It don't love ramp. You don't ramp rough. Take the people them say ramp, that ramp. You don't just love ramp rough. Rough ramping, you don't like.
You know about me too? Said ratty people them, we are look me. They on Shannel live I tell him one bag of fuck.
Yeah, because when you go and then can't get it, you know, no sense. When Shannel gone, then can't get you, you know, understand. Then just want to clear up you. Then just want to make sure so they get rid of Shannel. So they can't grab you. You know, like when I say something, you know, but yeah, but you know it's true, him no understand, you know. No, you don't understand, no. I don't know nobody kill up himself, but I don't know when nobody kill up himself.
I'm kill up myself.
So where you there about stress for? Where you stress for? Stop stress out yourself, young man. Right? It happened. You apologized. You said sorry. Did you say sorry?
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't do it again. No know what good on me never did it. You will see your kids them in due time. Make Shannel go and control the ladies them because the ladies them see wanna go come for you. I understand that. Right? And you don't have to explain yourself to nobody. It will work out itself. I'm telling you that. Hey, me no know me. I know me you not talk, you know. I know me you not talk. Happy Saturday, baby. Happy Saturday. So what you worried about? By your face I can see you look worried and me say anything you go cuss me. Me can't run joke with you because you go say mommy what kind of style that. Sure. I need a sense of humor, you know. You must learn to smile.
I'm
playing about my business. I'm playing about my business and go put look fix.
With it today.
So you must learn to smile, man. Why you acting like that?
Me don't know where girl go do that for.
So you call him now and you nobody want go on over Dragga live. Ask Dragga how him be. Go and ask him for me, huh? So you did not talk to her today, right?
Before all of the live thing.
Shannel set you up. Shannel set you up because you got there with big body girl. If you care one girl when body bigger than Shannel one in a woman house. That you know. Every time Shannel turn around and see big body picture, Shannel say, and so you have to understand the trap. If you care one manga body girl go in a house, you know, Shannel would have alright, but one big body girl I care for the girl bed, maybe Lord Jesus Christ. Guys, in the catch his speed for me, huh? Guys, wanna catch your speed for me now, please? You're young, move on, man. You're young, you're nice looking, move on. Thank you, babies. Thank you so much. Move on. You're young, you're good looking. You will see your kids. Stop stress yourself. I like how your face look. You look stressed out. Thank you. Thank you so much for the rose. Thank you. Oh my God, I give you a follow also. Rock. Yeah. I would say that. Be serious. Why me I go serious? You must learn. All right, no flow. Look here, why me I go be serious? Sometimes I don't feel learn to smile, man. The world not done yet, you know. The world is still here. Right? Smile. Where you go sad about? Do not act like some of their funeral or something. The world not come down power head. Look at something at me, move on, man. Murder. When I go on so. Take it from me. Because me always in a mix up.
Yo, that person, you don't know if you say nothing else about sucking mother.
Oh, no, our stalker. There's a stalker online where very much like us. And every day, every day tell us to suck our mother. Yeah, leave them alone. Black that person, I mean, like, again, nobody no kiss them teeth, and I'm like, move. Man, lift up. Yeah, man, left. Thank you, baby. Thank you. Guys, my match at tonight, 7 o'clock, guys. I could have even go up on the host go pick up your Wi-Fi and say, can you hear me now? Good. Tonight, guys. Hey, hey, girl, you kiss your teeth again? Come out and come in. All right, all a black. All a black. I tell you, you know, there's nothing offend me more than a girl in my comment section and kiss your teeth off for me. You have any sense? Kiss your teeth again and see. Kiss your teeth again and see. Who you playing with? I'm playing with Ivani. I'm playing with Ivani 7 o'clock. Guys, and please remember, remember my birthday match with Jaden the 4th of June. Register up here, so guys, please touch me. Yeah, my DP to register for my match the 4th of June. All right, and guys, please remember tonight, 7 o'clock. Thank you, baby. Thank you so much for the honor. 7 o'clock with Ivani, Jamaican time. All right, guys, the match is all about taking away Vani Nuggets. All right, nobody ever get that done yet, guys. Nobody never get that done, so we want to try. Thank you, baby. Nikki, thank you for the cologne. Okay, June is my birthday too. Oh my God, June, your birthday too? What date of June is your birthday? Hey, one thing me know, you know, June people always.
Everybody say, no, black like
June is mine own. I be June people over here, you know, the 27th is a Cancer. Yeah, he's a nice man. A nice man. So true, yes. I be June people jar to me for true. Oh my God, he's a Cancer, guys. He's a Cancer. Big up yourself, big up yourself. The 27th is gonna be my my party. The 27th, I'm a man birthday. The 27th, I'm a
who do that? Who do that? Me go unmad, you know. Me go. Hey, stop black everybody. The people they not even disrespect me. Not black them.
Take off your moderator. You can't have moderator. We're not good. Somebody take them off. Wait, person there. June the 27th. June the 27th. What you do for your birthday? May I ask a question? Are you in Jamaica? Are you in Jamaica? That don't have a big question more I ask you. Are you in Jamaica? My son is June the 6th. I'm in New York. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. You need to do something for your birthday. He's in New York. Guys, come on. You need to do something for your birthday. June the 9th. I'm sorry you never there here because like we have a party I keep the 27th. You would have been nice. To be honest, it would have been nice if you were here. You could have just like party with we, celebrate with we, full joy your birthday, maybe. All right. Ladies, don't grab him, ladies, a good man. Find out if he's single.
Oh, maybe no want nobody right now.
Oh, I know you, nobody know why you right now. Nobody know why you right now. I'm gonna tell you the truth, relax. Relax, nobody know why you. Ooh, ladies, look in the comment section. He's single, June. Hey, ladies, a good man. I have nothing. Listen to me. We make nothing turn to something. We make nothing turn into
Come here and
something.
show it to me. I can't.